Hello, and welcome to WineBlueBook.com. People want value, whether they're buying cars or wine. Just as the Kelley Blue Book is the trusted resource for prices and values on new and used cars, so is WineBlueBook for wine. With wine, it's easy enough to know what's good, what's great, and what to avoid. What's hard is knowing what's a good value, which wines deliver the most bang for the buck. WineBlueBook gives you the information you need to do just that. In the Pinot Noir issue, there are 430 wines with an average score of 91 points. And the average price for a 91-point wine? $66. You could pay more than that, of course, plenty of people do, just not the ones who get WineBlueBook. WineBlueBook ranks wine by value so you can drink better for less. Here's how it works. So you would expect to pay $66 for a 91 rated Pinot Noir. What about the 91-point wine in her hand? $33? Hey, that's just 50% of what you would expect to pay for the same rated wine. That's a great value. WineBlueBook lists wine based on critic scores, then ranks them by value using current retail prices to identify the best ones. If a wine costs less than 50% of the average price for similar wines with the same score, that's a great value. If a wine costs less than 25% of the average price for wines of the same score, that's an outstanding value. The lower the percent, the better, just like in golf. So how do you find the value wines from all the wines out there? Having the wine score and price is great, but only part of what you need. WineBlueBook shows you the average price for each score by varietal. Then WineBlueBook shows you the value of each wine. Great values can be found at every price, not just low ones. Here's a $240 Bordeaux with a 96-point score. While $240 is a lot of money, it's still only 42% of the average price for other 96-point Bordeaux. Conversely, a low price doesn't necessarily indicate a great value. Here's an 86-point Bordeaux for $30. $30 may seem like a fair price for Bordeaux, but in this case, you'd be paying too much for the quality of wine you'd be getting. Higher scores at lower prices. WineBlueBook helps you find better wines for less money. With a subscription to WineBlueBook, you'll be able to buy wines with confidence. Visit WineBlueBook.com for a free sample issue to see for yourself. Cheers, everybody.